Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Ask Professor Xi. So, we're always looking for ways to keep our skin healthier as we age. But can exercise be the answer to healthier skin as we age? The answer is yes, 100%. So, let's get into it. When we work up a sweat when we're exercising, we help clean out our pores. Clean pores lead to healthier skin. Next up, in life, we stress a lot. Stress leads to cortisol buildup. Cortisol buildup over time can be the main contributing factor to wrinkles. How do we fix that? Exercise helps to reduce our cortisol levels, thus reducing our risk of wrinkles. Bonus, exercise helps produce collagen in our body, and that collagen helps keep our skin healthy. Next up, when we have muscle tone, when we start to see the muscles through our skin, that's a sign that we have a healthier skin. Muscle tone leads to firmer skin, less cellulite leads to firmer skin, and healthier skin in the long run. So it's a great idea to keep your body fat in check, keep your weight lower. So when we see our muscles, that's a sign that our skin is healthier. So, an acute effect, or in one single bout of exercise, can make all the difference in our skin. In one single bout of exercise, all that oxygenated blood rushing to our skin leaves us with a healthy glow on our skin. And the bonus, when we have that healthy glow, and that helps to produce more of our body's natural oils to spread out over our skin and keep it a lot healthier. Lastly, exercise has been shown to help repair skin. And by repairing skin, that helps us lessen our risk of skin cancer. So yes, exercise can help lessen your risk of skin cancer. But be wary on this one. If you like to exercise outside, you're going to need to cover your face, maybe a ball cap, and definitely wear a higher SPF that's sweat proof while you're exercising. Alright, so yes, exercise is a natural way of improving your skin as we age and keeping your skin healthy as we age. Leave a comment, ask any questions you have on this topic. Otherwise, thanks for watching. As always, thank you for your support, and I'll see you next week.